Good morning, everyone! This is your teacher, Sam, and welcome to our virtual class. Watch closely and listen carefully to our lesson for today. Are you ready? Let's go! Our lesson for today is about comparing two numbers with different numbers of digits and the same numbers of digits. First, let's talk about comparing two numbers with different numbers of digits. When we compare two numbers with different numbers of digits, the number with the greater number of digits is the bigger number. And the number with the less number of digits is the smaller number. For example, we have here two numbers. We have 123 or 123, and we have number 12 or 1, 2. First, let's look at 123. 123 has ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. It has 3 digits. Now let's look at number 12. 12 only has 2 digits, right? There is only ones place and tens place. Now if you look at it, which one has the bigger digits? Yes, you're right. It is the 123 or 123. So 123 is greater and the number 12 is smaller. Therefore, 123 is greater than 12. Or if you put it on the other way around, it is going to be 12 is smaller than 123. Thirty-four and 3. 34 is a 2-digit number, and 3 is a 1-digit number. Therefore, 34 is greater than 3, or 3 is smaller than 34. 110 and 5. 110 is a 3-digit number, while 5 is a 1-digit number. Therefore, 110 is greater than 5, or 5 is smaller than 110. 134 and 41. 134 is a 3-digit number. 41 is a 2-digit number. Therefore, 134 is greater than 41, or 41 is smaller than 134. 320 is a 3-digit number. 62 is a 2-digit number. Therefore, 320 is greater than 62, or 62 is smaller than 320. Now that you have learned how to compare two numbers that has different numbers of digits, let's answer these questions. Which number is smaller? Which number is smaller? Which number is greater? Which number is greater? Now let's move on to our next lesson. Comparing two numbers with the same numbers of digits. When we compare two numbers with the same numbers of digits, compare the digit on the left first. The number with the greater digit is the greater number. And if the digits are the same, compare the next digit and so on. This is our two hands. This one is our left hand. In comparing, we are going to compare using the left digit first. For example, we have here number 12 and number 13. Look at the two numbers. They both have the same digits. They have two digits, ones and tens place. Now let's compare both numbers. Look at the left part of the number. The left part or the tens place is 1 for the 12 and 1 as well for the 13, right? So once they are the same, you're going to move on to the next digit. So the next digit of tens is the ones place. Now look at here at number 12. We have 2. And the other number, 13, we have 3. So which one is bigger? 2 or 3? You're right, it's number 3. So the bigger or the greater number is 13. And the smaller number is 12. That's how you do it. So therefore, 13 is greater than 12 or 12 is smaller than 13. More examples. 32 and 12. 32 and 12 are two-digit numbers. The digit in the tens place of 32 is 3. Its value is 30. The digit in the tens place of 12 is 1. Its value is 10. Therefore, 32 is greater than 12, or 12 is smaller than 32. We have here 200 and 100. 200 and 100 are three-digit numbers. The digit in the hundreds place of 200 is 2. Its value is 200. The digit in the hundreds place of 100 is 1. Its value is 100. So which one is bigger? 200 or 100? Now it's time for practice. We are going to practice how to compare two numbers with the same digits. Question number 1. Which number is smaller? Which number is smaller? Which number is greater? Which number is greater? Now that we have learned how to compare two numbers with different and the same digits, let's answer our activity book. Please open your book on page number 23 and 26. Page number 23. Number 1. Write each number and compare the numbers. I will give you an example. Number 1. We have here 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones, or 225, and 7 tens and 4 ones. Or 74. Now please write the numbers. Write 225 and 74. Now look at the sentence. It says, is greater than. So what number is greater than? Or it has a greater number or a bigger number. So if you answer 225, you are right. The sentence should be like this. 225 is greater than 74. Now please do number 2. Page 23, number 2. Write true or false in each bracket. True meaning yes, it's correct. And false meaning no, it's incorrect or it is wrong. For example, number 1. 48 is greater than 110. Is it true or false? You're right, it's false because it should be 48 is smaller than 110. Now please do numbers 2 to number 5. Page 23, number 3. Write 5 comparisons of the numbers given. Do not use the same number twice. Look at the box. It has different kind of numbers. You just need to choose 2 numbers and compare them. For example, I'll give you one example. 249 and 35. So I will compare these 2 numbers. I can write as 249 or 249 is greater than 35. That is correct. Or I can write 35 is smaller than 249. That is also correct. Page 26, number 1. Write each number and compare the numbers. I'll give you an example for number 1. We have here 112 or 112 and 103 or 103. You can write it as 112 is greater than 103, or it's also accepted if you write 103 is smaller than 112. Both are correct. Page 26, numbers 2 and number 3. First, let's go to number 2. Circle the smaller number in each block. So look at the blocks. There are different kind of numbers, right? They're in pairs. So for example, here we have 500 and 600. Circle the smaller number. So which one is smaller? Yes, you're right. It's 500. So please circle 500. And you do the rest. Number 3, circle the greater number. Again, the greater number or the bigger number. For example, we have here 625 and 708. Which one is the greater number? Yes, you're right. It's 708. So please circle and do the rest. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you had a great time learning with me today, and see you again to our next class. Goodbye!